Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today I'm going to be talking about the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is not my first time using this mascara. I actually just bought a new one and realized I haven't done a Mascara Monday episode on this one. And I really like this mascara. So spoiler alert, this is an amazing mascara. So depending on where you get this mascara, it ranges from like $7 to $10. If you get it at like Walmart, I think it's around like $6 or $7. But if you go to like Ulta, I think it's around 9 or 10. Okay, so I'm gonna read to you what the Ulta website says. It says, give in to temptation, build on bold volume to create irresistibly soft, separated, and fluffy lashes coat after coat. Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara features a creamy and whipped formula enriched with coconut extract. 4 out of 5 women loved their lashes. 85% saw bold, full volume with no overload, and 92% saw lengthened lashes. Okay, so on the packaging, it just pretty much says the same exact thing. Okay, so let's get into the video.
Try to get it. What you going for? Summer and the chilling times within it. Better than before? Of course, man. Plus I got a fucking 40 for the later part of the night. I'm anonymous in the light. You never heard of me, right? Well, I'ma change that if you let me. Let's get high with the kites. I'ma fight for my life if it depends upon it.
My final thoughts on this mascara, I absolutely love it. It is one of my all-time favorites. This is an everyday wear for me. I wear this when I don't wear false lashes. I wear it underneath false lashes. It definitely gives enough length and volume to where I don't need to wear lashes. I love the way it smells. It has an amazing coconut smell. I really like the way mascara smells in general, but the fact that this has coconut mixed in with it, it's amazing. I don't have super long lashes and this mascara works amazingly. Yeah, for me. But yeah, I can't say enough good things about this mascara. I love the formula, I love the brush, like I said, I love the way it smells. That might be kind of weird, but it smells amazing. So that's it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on this series, just comment down below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.